Open the box and we can see the accessories box. The product catalog shows more information about myAGV and the after-sales warranty-related information. Power adapter, handle, HDMI cable, Lego pieces, etc. Finally, the myAGV. When we first got myAGV, check whether there are obvious stains and scratches on the robot. Check whether the screws are falling off to prevent the inconvenience caused by external damage in transportation. The camera is on the head of robot. The external interfaces are on the back. Double-sided magazines on the body. Can combine with my cobit, my palletizer, mag arm, or cargo box. The robot is dismountable and the LiDAR can be seen. Use an HDMI cable to connect the display to the robot. Connect the mouse and keyboard to the USB interface. Turn on the robot. Wait for 30 seconds. myAGV is working now.